This morning, there is still a lot of uncertainty surrounding SNAP benefits, even as lawmakers appear poised to reopen the government. And while all of that plays out in Washington, local food banks and pantries, they're really trying to keep the food on the table. NBC Bay Area's Chris Sanchez joining us now from a food distribution event over in Sunnyvale. Chris?
Well, hi there, Marcus and Laura. So there has been a steady stream of people coming through here at the Sunnyvale Community Services since the distribution started about 2 hours ago. And as you know, full SNAP benefits are still on hold until at least late Thursday after the U.S. Supreme Court continued to pause on those payments. Now, at this food distribution site, there was a line before the doors even opened. And while California acted quickly to pay out federal benefits when one of several courts ruled last week that food assistance benefits should be paid in full, that was more than a month after the last full disbursement. And it is still unclear how many California SNAP recipients got those benefits before the Supreme Court ordered another pause. The executive director expects that because people had to dip into other households' funds for food, they will need help catching up even after SNAP and CalFresh are funded.
Expecting that our December rent requirements are going to be, or requests for financial aid are going to go up, utility payments are going to go up, and we're expecting that more people who have been enrolled in our program who haven't been coming as frequently will get into the cadence as well.
States that sued the Trump administration over SNAP funding, and earlier this week, Attorney General Rob Bonta and about a dozen other states asked for a temporary restraining order to prevent the USDA from forcing the state to take back some of the benefits that have already been paid out. Bonta said the USDA guidance changed several times in the past 12 days, created complicated distribution tables for partial payment, and sometimes contradicting prior guidance. Now, the folks here at Sunnyvale Community Services say that this has been really high volume, really high demand. They are going to have to figure out what they do once they reach their breaking point, and they are close, because they say they expect that the demand will continue even after SNAP is funded, because so many people are losing their Medi-Cal benefits, their Medicare. They are also facing those increasing health insurance premiums. So they ask here that if you are in a position to make a donation, that you do so, because they can really make that dollar stretch. And they have a matching fund right now, so if you make a donation, it will be doubled. In Sunnyvale, Chris Sanchez, NBC Bay Area News.
Yeah, the need is there.
Yeah, certainly nice to know, especially in this season of giving. All right.